What's up, guys? This is Aaron Albert from Waja and the Free People out of Rochester, New York, and I'm your newest Collision endorsee. I've been playing drums for 17 years, even though I am 19 years old. I was accepted into lessons at 2 years old, and I really haven't looked back ever since. A little bit more about my project, Waja and the Free People. We get out and we play shows about once or twice every month, and we have a bunch of singles out right now, and we are looking to release an EP in the next few months. I just got out of the studio the other day to record the video that you're about to see, and we are really excited about the future of this band. The Collision drumsticks of choice that I use for the studio, I like to go with the normal 5Bs, just because I have a lot more dynamic range with these. For playing out, I use the Collision 5B reaches, which for me, I am a marching snare drummer at heart, and right now I'm marching with Cap City 2, which is an open class WGI group out of Columbus, Ohio. I've been marching pretty much half of my life, and these sticks, the length, it's very comfortable with me. So when I'm out playing and I transition to marching and being with Cap City, it's not that big of a difference, but it's still comfortable. Some things I love about Collision are the opportunities that they're giving young artists to be endorsed by a company and be backed by a company to help them grow their music. I really think that it is really cool, especially in this day and age of social media, that you have someone backing you. Sure, you can put out as many videos, and you can put out as many TikToks, whatever, as you want. Use the right hashtags at the right people. But if you have a name that is backing you, that can help you grow, that's going to mean so much more than just having your name, especially when you're just starting out, like me, which I really appreciate about this company. The experience that I had over the phone with Carlton on my first call, on my onboarding call, was really extraordinary. He was so transparent about the final processes and the proceedings of this endorsement. We really just felt like a friend, and like drummers, we were just talking back and forth. Like it was really nice, and he's a really cool dude, and that's one of the reasons why I signed the contract, is because he took the time to reach out to me and make sure that I knew what was going on, and made sure, and it was kind of reassuring that I made the right decision. The song I'm about to play for you is titled Broadway, from my band Waja and the Free People, that we released in March of 2024, recorded in January of 2024. Thank you so much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoy. I can't wait to meet so many of you already endorsed Collision drummers and all you drummers from around the world. So I'm really looking forward to this partnership with Collision.